Each brush head color-coded for individualized use. Rotary brushing movement with sweeping, cleaning action. For use with RTGG3S only. Contains 2 replacement rotary brush heads. Brush head works on RTG3 models only. The advanced bristle design of these replacement power plaque remover brush heads lets you clean, polish and massage gums and teeth. Color-coded for individual users, each brush head features rotary action with sweeping cleaning action. For best results, replace brush heads every 3 to 4 months. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent price. The price of the OptiClean by Conair replacement power plaque remover brush heads 2 count was excellent, compared to prices I have seen in stores.